What's up, YouTube fam, and welcome back. If you are new, you already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. As you guys can tell by the title, we are doing jumbo box braids today, and I'm gonna do the rubber band method on her. She is transitioning from relaxed to natural, so I'm trimming her hair bit by bit. She didn't want to cut it all at one time, which is completely fine to me. So I'm making sure she gets those ends off bit by bit until she's completely natural. Now, as y'all know, I do put oil on my rubber bands before I do any style with rubber bands to keep it from breaking my client's hair off. And I'm going to show y'all two different methods that I like to use to install the braiding hair. Now, this is the first one. I take one piece of hair and I basically divide it into two. And the way I fold it, it'll still give you those three pieces. See? I'm gonna switch it in my hand so you really can tell right here. Okay, so 1, 2, and then on the other side it's 3. You want to make sure all 3 of those pieces are the same size before you start braiding. But yeah, that is definitely one technique that I like to use. I do teach this technique in my braiding class, so if you want to learn this technique or the next technique, be sure to look me up. I will leave all my handles down below in the description box. As always, all of the products, including the hair that I like to use, will be listed down below as well. You'll be able to find all of those products on my Amazon storefront, so be sure to check that out as well. If throughout the video y'all have any questions, be sure to leave it down below and I will definitely get back with you guys. Now, this is the second technique that I like to use. I literally just divide 1/2 of the hair into 2 and I just leave it connected on the other end to make my 3 pieces. Hopefully y'all are picking up what I'm putting down. If not, just let me know down below and I will upload a real-time video for you guys showing up close and personal on how I do any braid. But I'm not gonna do much talking, y'all. I just want to come say hey to my family, of course, and tell you guys that I love you, and I will definitely see you in the next video. Peace.